Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix your computer running slow on Windows 11. So Windows 11 PC slowing down over time usually caused by build-up of background startup apps, aggressive power saving features, fragmented system cache or outdated hardware configuration. Let's see how to fix this one. As the first step, you need to stop unnecessary background startup apps. To do that, right click on the taskbar, go to Task Manager, click on the Startup Apps option. Look through the list of apps, check the startup impact column to see which ones are slowing down your boot times the most. So in this case, this one is highest impact and these are low impact and this is none of the impact. So what you need to do is, if this application is not necessary when it is starting, just select that one, tap on disable option. Okay, now it doesn't affect you starting up. So the second method is change power plan to best performance. To do that, simply go to start menu, go to setting, go to system, go to power, go to the power and sleep option, then tap on additional power settings. Okay, now you can see you have selected the balance power mode. Simply tap on change plan setting and you can select the change advanced plan setting. Okay, now it is set as balanced. So you can go back here, then after tap on create power plan option, then make sure it is set as a high performance one and you can rename the power plan. Tap on next. So you can customize this option, but it doesn't matter. Then after tap on create option. Okay, now you are currently on the best performance power plan. So now your computer will be work faster than the previous balanced power plan. Okay, the third method is clear out the temporary junk files that is in the storage sense. To do that, go to start menu, go to setting, then after go to system, scroll down and click on storage option. Click on temporary files. Currently it is 3.97 gigabytes. Select that one. Now it is scanning related with the files. These are the files that you can remove from your computer. You can simply select all of the files from here. If you don't need to remove some of the file, don't tick that one. Then after tap on remove files, then it will be removed from your computer. And the fourth method is disable visual effects and animations. So to do that, you need to go to search bar, type adjust appearance. You can see adjust appearance and performance of the windows. Click on it. Okay, now performance option window will be open. Select the radio button to adjust for best performance like this. Then this is optional. If you don't want your desktop text to look jagged, scroll down and checklist and check smooth edges of the screen fonts, this one. Then after tap on OK. Fifth method is run drive optimization, trim for SSDs. To do that, you need to go to search bar again, type DEFRAG, tap on defragment and optimize drives. Select your main Windows drive, which is C drive in my case. Click on optimize option. Windows will instantly run a trim command on your SSD, maximizing data retrieval speeds. Sixth method is disable Windows indexing search for budget CPUs. So to do that, you need to go to search bar, type run, tap on it. In here you need to type services.msc and hit enter. Then you need to scroll all the way down until you find Windows search. Okay, it is right here. Select that one, right click on it, go to properties, select this one, tap on disable, tap on OK.